So let's do that. It's a new trade. Let's see. So we want the entry at, say, around 1, 2, 3, the third bar, and stop loss and under the fourth bar. There, target profit 1, 2, 3, TP1 at 1 to 1 and TP2 at 1 to 2. No trailing stop loss, but we do want the stop loss to move to break even to the entry price when it hits TP1. And we want it at break of bar, yes. And it's a buy, we're looking for a long. So there we go. And that's the trade there. And that's done. So now looking at the other chart, Euro JPY on H4. So this one hasn't pulled back quite far enough into this entry area, so does not really meet my criteria. Therefore, I am not going to be looking at this trade today. Let's have a look at Euro GBP. So that one's already going. Yeah, again, that one is not pulling back yet, so need to wait for the pullback. That pretty much trade has already, would have been maybe last week for an entry, or maybe on a different time frame. So if you have a different sort of rules for your trading plan, then that's maybe a shorter time frame entry. Let's have a look at these guys. GBP CAD on H4. So that one also is already in the upward trend and hasn't pulled back. So I won't be entering that one. Similarly with this one. Now this one looks like it has a higher high compared to here. So this point there, higher than this point there. So if it does pull back in the next couple of days or next week, then I would be looking at entering then. So again, for that one, waiting for the pullback. This GBP USD on the 4 hourly. So that one's already gone quite far. So not looking at that one at the moment. Might wait for the pullback. And AUD USD on H4. Again, same. It's already going up. So I will wait for the pullback closer to the line there. And we just manage that entry area as the price progresses. But still looking for a long on that one if it retraces back. Then we have Euro AUD. So that one's also already quite far. So waiting for the retracement on that one. There we go, back into that entries area near the horizontal, near the trend line. And the next one, GBP JPY. So that one, Okay, this one is just above that. I think it's a weekly horizontal. So this one might have a secondary entry area. Let's see, maybe around there as well. So either a pullback to the weekly horizontal or to the trend line there would also be good. Somewhere there like that. And still looking for a long on that one. Okay, so that's all the trade setups, the charts to go through for today. So at the moment, we've got a new pending order for the USD JPY at those levels there. And if you have any questions, please ask in the chat box. Feel free to message into the chat box. I'll have a look if there are any questions. Otherwise, I will be back next Tuesday, same time, 10 a.m. Singapore time, to review charts and look at trade setups on Tuesday at 10 a.m. So if there are no questions, I will see you next week. Thank you very much. Bye for now.